Welcome to our channel. If you're a student, you can save money on your Spotify subscription by activating the student discount. Here's how to verify your enrollment and get reduced pricing. Step 1. Visit the Spotify website and navigate to the Premium for Students page. Make sure you're logged in to your Spotify account. Step 2. Click on Get Started or Sign Up for Student Discount button to begin the verification process. Step 3. You'll be redirected to SheerID, Spotify's student verification partner. Enter your educational information, including your school name. Step 4. Provide your date of birth and confirm that you're currently enrolled in an accredited college or university. Step 5. Upload documentation to verify your student status. This can include a student ID, transcript, or enrollment letter. Step 6. Wait for verification, which usually completes within minutes. You may receive an email confirmation once verified. Step 7. Once verified, you'll be returned to Spotify to complete your payment information and activate the discounted subscription. Step 8. Start enjoying Spotify Premium at the student rate. Remember, you'll need to re-verify your student status annually to maintain the discount. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.